Hey guys, welcome to With Love from Jess, and today I'm gonna teach you guys how to make some lemon pepper wings. We will be using lemon pepper, garlic, black pepper, salt, parsley flakes, creole seasoning, and we also are going to be using some all-purpose flour, half a stick of butter, and lemon. And of course, we need chicken wings. So now that we've cleaned our wings, we are going to add the seasonings, and I have all of those listed in the description box below. We're gonna go ahead, give that a good mix, and get all those flavors into the meat. Here I'm squeezing some lemon juice on the wings for some extra lemon flavor. This is what you want your wings to look like, seasoned and flavorful. Now we're gonna move on to our flour, and we're gonna use the same seasonings that we used to season the chicken into the flour. We're gonna take our seasoned chicken and put it into our seasoned flour and then put it to the side. Alright, so we're done with that, and now we're gonna get ready to fry them. So in a pan, you want to go ahead and put some oil. I'm using corn oil. You can use vegetable oil, and I like to fry mine in a pan. You can deep fry yours if you like. Cook your chicken on medium-high heat for about 20 minutes, and just check it every few minutes and just give it a little stir. Once these are done, you're going to take some paper towels and just place them on the paper towel to drain any of the grease off. To make the lemon pepper sauce, we are going to use about 3 tablespoons of lemon pepper seasoning. We're also going to use half a stick of melted butter. And then I'm going to go ahead and squeeze some lemon juice inside. I use about half a lemon. Just squeeze that in there and give it a little stir. Look how good these wings look. I could eat them just like this, but I want lemon pepper wings, so we're gonna make those. Now, in a bowl, you're gonna take your lemon pepper sauce that we just made, put it into the bowl. And then we're gonna go ahead and take our chicken wings and just add those into the right into the sauce, and you're just gonna give them a good old shake. So now we're just gonna plate them up. I added a little tiny bit of Parmesan cheese on top, and that was it. I hope you guys liked this video. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching, and if you have any suggestions, please leave it in the comment section below.